Tired of your law practice feeling like a chaotic circus? Let's tame the chaos. This quick tutorial will show you how Rocket Matter can streamline your law practice and boost your productivity in under 90 seconds. First, let's create a new case. Click on the Matters tab, which is your central hub for all client-related activity. Now, hit New Matter. A simple form pops up. Start typing in your client's name and the matter description. The more details, the better organized you'll be. Add contacts associated with the case, like opposing counsel or expert witnesses. You can also set your billing preferences for this specific matter, hourly, flat fee, or contingency. Next, let's schedule an important court date. Click the Calendar tab on the left-hand side. Now click the New button on the right-hand side. Fill out the necessary information. Make sure that you have reminders. Now, let's track our time. Click on Time and Expenses. Start the timer. Once done, add a description of what you did. Now you have an accurate record of your billable hours. Time to get paid. Navigate to the Billing tab. With a few clicks, you can generate professional invoices, send them securely to your clients, and track payment status. And that's it, a simple framework for organization. Rocket Matter offers so much more, from document management to trust accounting. Ready to transform your law practice? Start your free Rocket Matter trial today and experience the difference.